morning, students. Welcome back to our subject Science and Chapter 5 Inside the Atom. Contain type of substances, Dalton's atomic theory, Thomson's plum pudding model of atoms, Rutherford's nuclear model of atom 1911. Now we'll see a type of substances and we'll see how it goes about with the help of this chart. Now we will go water. You can see the name of a substance is water here, then the formula is H2O, then it is not an atom, it is an molecule, then it is not a single type of atom in the molecule, it is a different type of atoms in the molecules, it is not an element and it is a compound. So now if you try to see oxygen, O2, then it is not an element here, it is you can say a molecule, it is a single type of an atom in the molecule, it is not a different type of atom in the molecule, then it is an element and it is not a compound. Helium, you can see here, it is an atom, then it is not a molecule, then single type of atom in the molecule, it is not a different type of atom in the molecule, it is an element and it is not a compound. Ammonia, NH3, it is not an atom, is an molecule, a single type of atom in the is not a single type of atom in the molecule, then different types of atoms in the molecule, so it is, yes, it is a different type of atoms in the molecules. Elements, it is not an element and yes, it is a compound. Nitrogen is not an atom, it is a molecule, it is a single type of atom in the molecule, it is not a different type of atoms in the molecule, yes, it is a element, it is not a compound. Then methane is not an atom, it is a molecule, it is not a type of atom in the molecule and yes, it is different type of atoms in the molecule and it is not an element, yes, it is a compound. Then argon is an atom, it is not an molecule, a single type of yes, it is a single type of atom in the molecule, then you can say it is not a different type of atoms in the molecule, then yes, it is an element and it is not a compound. So you can say neon, yes, it is an atom, it is not a molecule, it is single type of atom in the molecule, yes, it is not a different type of atom in the molecule, it is an element and it is not a compound. And chlorine is not an atom, it is a molecule, it is a single type of atom in the molecule, it is not a different type of atom in the molecule, yes, it is element and it is not a compound. So this way you can see the types of substances. The smallest particle of the most of the substances are molecules. The molecules of few substances contain only one atom. Molecules are formed by chemical combination of atoms. From this we can understand the smallest particle of an element taking part in a chemical combination is an atom. The concept of atom is more than 2500 years old. However, it was forgotten in the course of time. In modern times, scientists on the basis of experience explain the nature of atom as well as the internal structure of atom. It started with Dalton's atomic theory. Dalton's atomic theory, with the help of figure we'll see, here is a picture of John Dalton, the scientist, and he proposed the atomic model here. The British scientist John Dalton put forth in 1803 AD, he celebrated atomic theory. According to this theory, matter is made up of atoms and atoms are indivisible and indestructible. All atoms of an element are alike, while different elements have different atoms with different mass. A bundi laddu is found to have an internal structure. It is formed by sticking smaller particles, the bundis, to each other. However, the solid balls, broadly speaking, does not have any internal structures. The atoms as described by Dalton turns out to be hard, solid sphere with no internal structure. According to Dalton's theory, the mass is distributed uniformly in the atom. Thomson plum pudding of atom. Now with the help of figure, here is a scientist J.J. Thomson and the plum pudding atomic model is shown here. The plum pudding model of atoms put forth by Thomson in year 1904 is the first model of atomic structure. According to this model, the positive charge is distributed throughout the atom and negatively charged electrons are embedded in it. The distributed positive charge is balanced by the negative charge on the electrons. Therefore, the atoms become electrically neutral. Rutherford's nuclear model of atom 1911. You can see with the help of a picture. It is alpha particle emitter, gold foil here and detaching screen here. Then Rutherford studied the inside of an atom by his celebrated scattering experiment and put forth nuclear model of atom in year 1911. Rutherford took a very thin gold foil, thickness of 10 raised to minus 4. So you will write 10 raised to minus 4 mm like this. And bombarded it with a positively charged alpha particle. So alpha particle is like that, you will have to write. Emitted by radioactive element. He observed the path of alpha particle by means of fluorescent screen around the gold foil. It was expected that the alpha particles would get reflected from the gold foil if positively charged mass were evenly distributed inside the atom. Unexpectedly, most of the alpha particles went straight through the foil. A small number of alpha particles get deflected from the original path through a small angle. A still smaller number of alpha particles get deflected through a larger angle, and surprisingly, one alpha particle out of 20,000 bounced back in the direction opposite to the original path. The large number of alpha particles that went straight through the foil indicates that there were obstacles in their path. It means that there must be mainly an empty space inside the atoms in the solid gold foil. The small number of alpha particles that get deflected through a small or a big angle must have faced an obstacle in their path. It means that positively charged and heavy part causing obstruction would be in the center of atom. From this, Rutherford puts forth a nuclear model for atom as follows. There is a positively charged nucleus at the center of atom. Almost the entire mass of the atom is concentrated in the nucleus. Negatively charged particle called electron revolves around the nucleus. Total negative charge on the electron is equal to the positive charge on the nucleus. As the opposite charges are balanced, the atom is electrically neutral. There is an empty space between the revolving electron and the atomic nucleus. An established law of physics, an electrically charged body is revolving in a circular orbit and its energy decreases. According to this law, the atom described in Rutherford models turn out to be unstable. In reality, however, all atoms except radioactive atoms are stable. This shortcoming of Rutherford model was removed by the atomic model put forth by Niels Bohr in year 1913.